SkillsFuture eligible Microsoft PowerPoint course. Learn to create killer presentations and perform advanced presentation functions. Get familiar with the basic features and functions of PowerPoint 2016. Key features of Microsoft PowerPoint course. SkillsFuture eligible course with updated course module and hands-on training by experts. This course is ideal for those who wants to learn or need to design presentations. Business professionals, entrepreneur, marketer and student can learn this course. You will be able to create a professional PowerPoint presentation from scratch. You can add advanced text editing, import graphics, audio and video to a presentation. Also modify objects, create tables and add charts to a presentation. SkillsFuture and SDF funding eligible training. This is 2 days PowerPoint course. Contact us now on www.inspizone.com and +65 8586 4485. Enroll now.